I hope you're a little bit warmer than me because I'm freezing here in the studio. It's pouring rain outside. And I was daydreaming about being at the beach, so I thought of an idea to do a tutorial on beach waves. For this look, I'm gonna grab my longer set of cashmere hair extensions. I'm gonna use my 20-inch Sunset Blonde shade because I like long hair at the beach. As you notice, I like volume and waves and just feeling pretty and sexy. Like, I don't like anything short and too sleek. So you'll probably see a bunch of tutorials of this kind. But let me grab those. I'm gonna use my teasing comb, my regular comb, just a medium hold, hairspray. I'm using Moroccan oil, which I like. And then I am going to use the beach waver. This is the first time I'm gonna use it. I saw the Victoria's Secret fashion show in December in 2016, which was last year. And I think they were a sponsor of the show. And the models had their hair done and waved with this beach waver. So I figured I would buy it, I would try it, and it's been sitting here. So this is probably the perfect time to try it and see what it looks like. It's my first time using it. So let me just put the extensions in. And I always do the same thing, I put 2 tracks, all the way around the head. I use some side pieces if I need extra hair, extra fullness. And, that's pretty much it. I am going to add a couple of side ones here for the front, just because I'm going for the longer look and my hair is kind of layered. So to kind of, blend the hair a little bit better with the hair extensions, I decided to add the side ones, which I have tapered a little bit, so it falls a little bit better. And I'm gonna put it a little bit higher somewhere here, so it creates like an overall long look instead of having the sides being shorter. You know me, I like my hair down the middle. So I think this should be enough. I can always add additional, small piece in the back to blend it, but I'm not sure if I need it. If I do, I can always add it a little bit later. But the key is to now rotate and curl the hair together, the extensions and your own hair, to create like an overall long look instead of the layered. So let me secure this whole top. And let's see this beach waver. All right. So I'm gonna keep my curling iron pretty much vertically this whole time. I've shown you videos with, horizontal angle. I've shown you with this angle, and now I'm gonna do it this way. So we'll get all kinds of different waves. And I'm gonna leave the ends kind of straight. Oh, it's working. Yeah, for the beach look, you can even take a flat iron and flatten these ends so it's more like streaky looking. I think it's really pretty. In the second row, I'm going to alternate the wave. On the bottom row, I went all of them away from my face. And now I'm alternating in the second row. One goes away from the face, one goes towards the face. And that way you get a little bit more volume and like a messy look. Okay, I let it cool off, but I am going to grab my flat iron actually, and I'm going to straighten the ends so it has an even beachier look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the pieces that are too wavy on the bottom, and I'm gonna kind of straighten probably 4 inches. It seems a lot, but then when you see the overall look, it actually looks really, really good. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now, I am not going to brush through it, but I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. I have this dry hair oil by Creole by Angelica, which I absolutely love. She's my friend, but her products are very, very good, and I love her oil. It's just so thin and light, and all you need is just really very little, and you just go through the hair and separate the pieces. Yeah, and I'm just gonna spray lightly. So I think this came out pretty good. I actually love this beach waver. This one is 1.25 inch barrel. It's pretty easy to use. I struggled a couple of times just because it's the first time I'm using it, but I find it super easy to use. And it's so hot and it creates the waves super quickly. So I'm definitely gonna stick with this one to create my beach waves. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you'd like to see. You can always leave me a comment below the video or go to my Instagram at Katarina Vanderham, or you can send me a Twitter message on K Vanderham, or go to my Facebook page, which is official Katarina Vanderham. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.